restaurant and I want to send this new offer updates to all the customers I have in this spreadsheet. But this is a time consuming task to send the WhatsApp messages one by one. So instead, I have created a WhatsApp broadcast using which I can send bulk WhatsApp messages in a single click. And in this video, I'll show you how exactly you can also create this. So to create this, you just have to open your dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In the top right corner, you are going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. 100 of credits or task free means that you can send up to 100 of WhatsApp messages for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Chatflow and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. And before we move on further, I'll just let you know that yes, we are powered by official WhatsApp Business Cloud API, so there is no risk of getting banned or blocked your WhatsApp number. Okay, so now in order to create this WhatsApp broadcast, you have to come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow and make sure to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. If you haven't added your WhatsApp number till now, a video tutorial dedicated on how to add your WhatsApp number is attached in the description box below. You can refer to that and learn how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. As you can see, I have already added my WhatsApp number, so I am good to go. So now what I have to do is from the left hand of the side, let's go on this broadcast section. Okay, once we open the broadcast section, you're going to see all the broadcasts which I have already created. So in order to create a new, we have to go on this add broadcast button. Once we're on this add broadcast button, we have to select the broadcast type. So select it as broadcast campaign. For the broadcast name, I am going to keep it as discount offers. So I'm just going to enter the same, which is discount offers. Let's move on further. For the contact list, I'm just going to select the contact list. So this is the list to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. But over here, I'll just let you know how you can create this list. So to create this list, from the left hand of the side, go on this contact section. And once you're on this contact section, you have to go on this add contact button. If you want to add the single contact, you can add it right from here. If you want to add bulk contacts, go on this add bulk contacts and upload your CSV file. From where you're going to get the CSV file? For that, in a spreadsheet, entity details of your customers or leads to whom you want to send the WhatsApp message to, and then go on this file, download, and download this in CSV format, which is comma separated values. Now you can simply upload the same file over here and automatically all of these contacts will be added in Pabbly Chatflow, and you can also create a new contact list out of these same contacts. Once you create the contact list, you just have to select the same right over here. You can select multiple contact lists, so it totally depends upon you. And after that, it is saying select the message type. So you have two options, pre-approved template message or a regular message. So if you want to select the regular message, go on this regular message and enter the message right over here. But if you want pre-approved template message, go on this pre-approved template message, and first of all you have to create a template. For that, from the left hand of the side, go on this template section and then template list. Now in this section, you're going to see the button of this add template. So you can add the template or generate the template with AI. As you can see, I have already created my template, which is hi name, enjoy a special offer just for you at our restaurant. So as you can see, yes, like this you can create your template, and once you create the template, you have to wait until Meta approves the template. It is going to take some amount of time for Meta to approve the template. Once your template is approved, you can simply go on this broadcast and click on this select WhatsApp template and select your WhatsApp template right from here. Once you select the template, and if you have a variable in your template, it is going to ask you for the body field one. So as you can see, I have this variable of name. So what I want is, I want to replace this name with the name of my customer or lead every time I send an automated WhatsApp message. So what we're going to do is, I am just going to simply enter the value for the same right over here. I am just going to keep this as dynamic, and in order to use dynamic values in the help text, it is saying with $symbol I can make values dynamic. So I want the name to be dynamic, so I'm just going going to keep it as $name. Now this $name will be replaced with the name of my lead or the customer every time we send an automated WhatsApp message. Now let's just click on this done and we are good to go. It is asking for the username and the phone number. So before sending this WhatsApp broadcast to multiple users and customers, you can simply test it once. So you can enter your username and the phone number in order to test this broadcast. Okay, so I'm just going to show you. Once you're going to click on this send test message, it is saying test broadcast sent, and when you're going to open your WhatsApp, as you can see that this is the WhatsApp message which will be sent to multiple customers. So you can test it like this once, and once you find it okay, then you can move on further and schedule the broadcast. So now after this we have two options: schedule the broadcast for later or send instantly. So if you wish to send instantly, click on this no send instantly and add broadcast, and this broadcast will be sent instantly. But if you want to schedule this for later, you can go on this yes schedule for later and select the date and time. Make sure to select a future date and time, because if you select a past date and time, it will be sent instantly. Go on this calendar button, and from here you can schedule this broadcast. So I am going to schedule this broadcast for 10th of April 1 p.m. So I am going to select the same and click on this add broadcast button. Now this broadcast is scheduled for 10th of April 1 p.m. and once this broadcast is sent, what I can do is I can view the stats for the same. I can go on this view stats, see how much was sent, delivered, read, and all the rest of the details. Let's just close this, and I'm just going to show you. You can see read, pending, ignored, and failed. And if there are failed, what you can do is you can go on this valid failed, and you can also resend this broadcast. So yes, this is very helpful if you want to resend the broadcast for the failed users. Okay, so yes, with this we have learned how to send multiple WhatsApp messages in just a single click. So go and try this amazing automation for your own restaurant too, and while trying, if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section below. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and for more automation tips and tutorials, do subscribe our YouTube channel. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can use Pabbly Chatflow to create multiple more WhatsApp automations. And now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I suggest you try WhatsApp automation today for your business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.